In today's video, I'll show you how to limit FPS in any game using the NVIDIA app. Go to search menu and type NVIDIA app. Click on open it. Select the home tab. Under library, select the game you want to cap the FPS and select settings. Max frame rate. Click on this global off and select this on option and type your desired FPS. To fix lag and shuttering problem, I recommend to use 58 FPS and select apply. Now let's go back to home and select the play option in under library. Once you are in game, as you can see, the FPS cap is working fine. In my case, I set it to 58. To show you guys, go to graphics in-game settings. You can able to see the FPS is set to 120 Hz and now it's working fine. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.